this is, I'm going to see what it's like on my iPhone, on my Mimo app, right? This is the Mimo app. So there it is there. And can you see, it's really, I've never seen this before. This is a square sensor, but it's got the little bits cut out at the side because we're going portrait and we're going wide. And so the point about this is that you can decide when you get into the editing studio whether you want portrait, or you can just do both. You can post it as a landscape and you can post it as a portrait the same. You don't have to kind of choose at the time, which is pretty cool. I've never seen this before actually. This is brand new. And if you're someone who posts to Instagram and also posts on YouTube, not shorts but the long form, then yeah, this is a real time saver. Because before you had to shoot both. You had to shoot two versions of it, you know. So yeah, good on DJI for doing that. That's very clever. Okay, cool.